Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to give you 11 ways to get authentic followers on your Instagram. The number one tip is optimize your Instagram account, which means while you are trying to figure out how to gain followers on Instagram, one of the most important step is have to account fully optimized. Think of your brand's Instagram bio as the homepage to your account. Without a bio, image, captions, a proper username or profile image, how will people know the account belongs to your brand? It might seem silly, but many companies don't fill out their bios or use a link to a landing page. This is your one spot to drive Instagram traffic to your site, so optimize your account is essential. If you are uncertain where to link, try marketing or product packages to relate to specific keywords, hashtags or campaigns on your Instagram account. Linking to your homepage is okay, but why not you give users a cohesive experience when moving from bio to a site? Additionally, keep your username as search friendly as possible. If your business name is longer, shorter, or it to something your audience would you recognize, don't add numbers or special characters to your username. Number two, keep content consistent. The word thing you can do when trying to get followers on Instagram is to irregularly post content. If you are lucky enough to get users following you in the beginning, the last thing you want to do is make them forget they followed you in the first place. To combat this, keep to a regular posting schedule. Typically, brands shouldn't post more than few times a day, but whatever your cadence, keep it consistent. Approximately 200 million Instagram users log on daily, so to cast your net even wider, try publishing a few times throughout the entire day. In fact, your own research on the best times to post on Instagram pinpoints the topmost points of multiple, or you can follow our research of the best times across all the areas below. Sticking to a schedule will help you build a consistent experience for your followers and keep them in the know of your brand. But if you are wondering how you are going to remember to publish at these different times in the day, we have got you covered with Sprout scheduling and optimal times features. Read on for more details. Third point is schedule Instagram points post in advance. While the Instagram algorithm has changed to show users more content they like, posting at the right times can still give your post more visibility. There's a lot your brand can do, and now with the Sprout Social, scheduling Instagram content is one of them. With our new tools, we can help you brand schedule content through an easy process. Number three, you can also use the Sprout's patent viral post feature that lets you do the work for you. Viral post analyzes your account's engagement history and identifies the optimal times for you to post organically. Fourth point is get other accounts to post your contents. While you are learning how to get more Instagram followers, it's important to know the value of your audience. The larger your follower count grows organically, the more buyers and interested customers will you have. The best way to get customers to follow you is to get in front of them and be present. It's critical to be present on your Instagram as well as others. Try sponsoring user generated content to get your brand in customers feeds, and you can also hold Instagram contests to get your brand out to a larger audience. Tip number 5 is know the difference between fake and real Instagram followers. There is a huge difference between an Instagram account having fake and legitimate followers. It might seem tempting to simply purchase Instagram followers, but the blackish outweighs the perks of organic follower growth. Fake Instagram followers tend to decide new followers, have no ROI, create little to no buzz. Real people have the ability to share, like, comment, and engage with your Instagram posts. Additionally, these users enjoy when there's someone on the other side responding. Tip number 6 is showcase your Instagram. How are people going to find an account useless or promote your Instagram? Make sure your Instagram account is listed with your website and other social networks. Creating visibility and awareness is one of the best ways to get discovered. If you truly want to get more Instagram followers, let people know where to find you. You can add social media buttons to your website and a blog to help promote social shares across all your networks as well as show people where to find on Instagram. Tip number 7 is post content followers want. While this is easier said than done, it's smart to learn what content your followers want to see. You will quickly find on Instagram that some content performs better than others. This is why testing is so important. Whether it's filters, captions, content types, or post times, the smallest detail can make all the difference. Keep your ear to the ground with the new Instagram trends so you are posting popular content. Tip number 8 is the get the conversation started. One of the best ways to make users aware of your Instagram is through conversation. According to the Sprout Social 2016 QT Index, nearly 35% of customers choose social media for customer care. That percentage outranks the live chat, email, 1 to 800 numbers, and in-store assistance. People are continuing to use social media as their contact reference for brands, and for your business, you need to support you and communicative on Instagram. Tip number 9 is get users to participate. If you truly want to get your Instagram followers, you have to provide something of value. Whether it's through great visual content, insight on new deals, or showcasing users on a brand account, you have to be somewhat valuable to your followers. And one way brands are getting excited to participate and follow is through user generated content. For example, Hilton Hotels does a wonderful job of promoting user generated contents on its Instagram account. Tip number 10 is find hashtags that convert. One of the most tried and true ways to get followers on Instagram is through hashtags. For years, hashtags have allowed us to extend our social search. As a marketer, you want to build your community by gaining followers, and hashtags provide just that. For starters, find hashtags that are not too populated. Social Media Examiner points this theory out by explaining how the hashtag love has more than 184 million photos connected to it. Trying to highlight your Instagram content in a sea of millions of pictures and videos is not as easy as possible. We have to find hashtags that people in your target audience are more likely to check. If a relevant connection is made, these users will be more likely to follow your account. Tip number 11 is make your Instagram followers happy. Last but not the least, when you make your Instagram followers happy, you see the payoff in audience growth. Following the previous tips is going to help you make your Instagram followers happy, so that the last thing you want to do is seem needy, sales driven, or robotic. Build your great audience and get more eyes on your content, because social media can be a very powerful marketing driver. If you have any tips on how to get your Instagram followers, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share the video, and if you are new on my account, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.